Alright, so what I'm doing is, my last video, I torqued up all my spokes to 55 inch-pound, and I want to make sure I didn't mess anything up. Actually, looking to make sure I made it better. I had a little wobble in the handlebars around 60 some mile an hour, so I don't know if it would have resolved it or not, but there were some spokes loose. I was reading around on some forums and such that said that would cause it, so we're going to find out. I just got to get somewhere where I can go about 60. I got to be careful around here because there's cops sitting on these parking lots, like sit back in the back, like sit back there. This bike is dirty. Yikes. I think it's supposed to be like 50 degrees today. I think it was like 47 when I looked at my phone before I jumped on the bike. Hell, just a few days back, I about had a flooded basement, which is nothing new to my house. My basement likes to flood. Although I didn't have it flood last year. I don't know if my town's done something or what, but I didn't flood it last year. I ordered the new rear rock helmet 4.0, so I know I'll probably get crap for that, but I hear it's a big improvement over the 3.0, so we'll find out. I should get it next week. I paid for it. I was invited and did try to go to the event they had in Las Vegas, but United Airlines postponed my flight enough to where I would have missed the event altogether, so I canceled all that. I would have had a free one, but they want to change my opinion on anything. But I missed out on a $500, probably closer to $700, because I think they gave everybody shockwaves. But so far this bike's running fine. After I get past this next light, I think I'll be able to get up to my speed limit, and I just wanted to get up to. But anyway, yeah, so I should get the Rock 4.0 next week. I did order the shockwave. I think I'm going to use that as the Bluetooth connection on my Indian, and keep my Senna on my 3.0, which is a lot better after the newer cheek pads. I don't know. I still think it's a little loose. I don't know. Maybe it's not. We'll see. It fits a lot better with the new cheek pads on the 3.0. Yeah, I need to get on a road that's not 35, so I'm not getting in trouble. Hopefully I'll be able to hit that here. The next thing I think I'm going to do on this is potentially change the fork oil on this thing, because I don't know when the last time it was done, if at all. And if it's any indication of all my other projects on this thing, it probably hasn't been done at all. Brakes will be on the agenda this year, I think. Oh yeah, that's much better. Yeah, I'm doing 60. And before my handlebars would shake like a lot. I think we've got it fixed. Anyway, I'm just going to go up the road here and turn around. Definitely going to go 70. Yeah, I think we're good. Cool. If I can turn around somewhere where it's not dirty. That did it. Cool. Yeah, I went out to my brother's one day and heading down this road. Man, I hit about 60, 65. Man, those handlebars front end started to wobble. But it only happened right around 60, so I just kept it under that and was fine. But what a pucker moment that was. and noticed there's some spokes loose on the rear wheel. You know, never had a bike, I guess, that I had to do maintenance on for spokes, so I never thought about it. They say check them, what, every oil change or every time you change the oil. So that may be, at least check them to see if they're loose or not, because I had never checked them. That's just going to be in my routine from now on. I'm also going to look for new shocks for this thing this year. So if anybody's got suggestions, put them down in the comments and I'll look at them and see. I'm really looking at Legend suspension. They're just expensive, but they're good. It's just all these bumps and such that you hit, painful. Like this, it's gonna not very forgiving. So yep, I'm gonna get something to eat real quick, see if I can find me a parking spot, hopefully up front. This place is usually freaking packed, so I don't expect to. Ooh, right there's one. Right there's one. I should have asked that guy if he wanted it. I'm trying to back that big truck in. Anyway, I'm going in to eat. We'll talk at you later. If I don't get back on, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll talk at you next time. Well, lunch has been had, so I'm going to head back home. I have dogs to walk, so we'll head that way. That thing. But man, the suspension on this is shit. All right, well, I'm back home. I'll talk at you later.